Trade shows are loud, crowded, and competitive. If your booth doesn't stand out, your brand is invisible. Introducing the Brillo Lightbox. This is the counter display, perfect for product demos and check-in stations. The 10-foot display, ideal for standard booth spaces. And the 20-foot display, for when you need a serious presence. The next evolution of SEG backlit displays, now with dynamic RGB perimeter lighting. It's not just backlit, it's completely surrounded in light. Control the mood instantly. Clean white for a polished corporate look, bold RGB colors, motion patterns to catch attention, and even music sync for high-energy environments. It's all controlled by a simple remote. Paired with vibrant, high-resolution SEG graphics, your message doesn't just show, it shines. Your team has better things to do than fight with hardware, so we've designed this display with a completely tool-free assembly, no complicated setup, no wasted labor hours. It's built for total efficiency. Foam-protected travel cases are included. They're designed to help protect your display as you move from show to show. Stop blending in and own the floor with the Brillo Lightbox.
Need help setting up? Let us show you how it's done. Join the frame pieces by matching their alphanumeric codes. Connect the cables by matching the corresponding codes. Attach the LED ladder lights. Repeat this process for the two side frames. Join the three frames together. Insert the footings and secure the black knobs. Attach the plastic connectors. Secure the countertop by tightening the white knobs from underneath. Plug in the power and test the lights.